Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best sergers of 2023 at market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 8. Serger Heavy-Duty Serger Overlock Machine. Serger's heavy-duty machine line is designed specifically to handle thicker fabrics. This serger is equipped with a larger knife to cut through denim, upholstery fabrics, and multiple layers. Offering 2, 3, or 4 thread capacity, it features 8 built-in stitches and a speed of 1,300 stitches per minute. There's also a color-coded guide for easier threading and tension adjustments with a built-in rolled hem plate. Note that this machine is not designed for delicate fabrics and can get quite loud, according to online reviewers. Sergers sew, finish, and trim away seams and raw edges in one easy step for professional-looking results. No more fraying or unsightly seams using 2, 3, 4, or 5 threads to create overlocking stitches. The Serger X5004 HD Serger is complete with a heavy-duty metal frame. This serger has different stitch types, ensure the perfect stitch no matter what project. Blind hems, rolled hems, flat locking, finishing raw edges, and sewing seams. Number 7. Brother 2340 CV Cover Stitch. If you already own a serger and want to upgrade your hems, add a cover stitch machine to your sewing toolbox. This affordable cover stitch machine from Brother pairs nicely with the Brother serger, as it has a similar color-coded threading system and tension dials. The 2-needle machine offers 2, 3, or 4 thread cover stitch functions. Great for stretch fabrics, hems, and necklines. Online reviewers note that you must manually release the tension before removing the fabric to prevent tears or stitch imperfections. The Brother 2340 CB Cover Stitch is an advanced serger that was designed to allow users to create a wide range of cover stitches on multiple weights and types of fabric. The flexibility to create constructive and decorative applications is made possible through the advanced technology infused into the Brother 2340 CB Serger. Some of the advanced user features include wide and narrow cover stitches, trick cover stitch capability, and an easy looper threading system. The 2340 CV also offers color-coded threading and adjustment dials, which helps to provide higher quality stitching. The addition of a presser foot dial, snap and feet, and differential feed permits you to adjust the stitch length and speed of material flowing through this advanced serger. The Brother cover stitch is built with 3 needles and 1 looper thread that can allow you to create professional hems, chain stitching, and decorative stitching. This machine is exceptional for creating the perfect shirt with very little effort. With a variety of utility to decorative cover stitches, users can professionally finish edges with a single or dual top stitching look. This machine allows you to create durable strapping for dance garments and swimsuits, or a chain stitch finish for hems or belt loops. This product is also backed by a 25-year limited warranty with support for the life of the product. Number 6. Baby Lock Accolade Serger and Cover Stitch Combo Machine. When you want both overlock and cover stitch capabilities, you usually need 2 different machines, but this clever device combines both. The luxury Baby Lock Accolade Combo Machine has a high price tag but unprecedented capabilities. Jet air threading, 8, 7, or 6 thread options for 87 stitches to combine overlock and cover stitching, and tubular loopers so you can thread in any order. Plus, it includes the features you'd expect from a high-quality serger, such as a differential feed, a sharp knife, and automatic rolled hem capabilities. Number 5. GVKI Mode 654D Portable Thread Serger. Many people learn how to sew on industrial GVKI machines, as they're common in classrooms because of their durable design with simple dials and functions. GVKI sergers have high-end features at a lower price point than most Baby Lock machines. Compared with other serger styles, it's more portable, as it's lightweight and has a top grip handle and thinner profile. This 2, 3, or 4 thread serger offers automatic rolled hem capabilities and boasts an impressive 1,500 stitches per minute. Lacking color-coded threading instructions, this machine is better suited to sewers who have serger experience. Color-coded threading breakaway looper external adjustment for stitch length and differential feed. Powerful knife system with dedicated drive mechanism. Sewing speed, max, 1500 spum. Sews light to heavyweight fabric. Max, stitch length, 4 mm. Safety switch machine will not run when swing cover is open. Differential feed, 0.7 to 2.0 ratio. Number 4. Serger S0230 Serger Overlock Machine. The S0230 Serger saves time by sewing a seam and seam finish at the same time, while trimming away the excess seam allowance. Seams and seam finishes, just like you see on store-bought garments, are possible thanks to the Serger. You can use 2 threads, 3 threads, or 4 threads for a variety of stitch combinations. Sew narrow hems on napkins, or stitch up a knit top with seams that stretch with the fabric without popping. Create a decorative edge around a fleece blanket for an extra bit of flair. Differential feed allows you to sew super stretchy fabrics without the wavy distortion and shears without puckering. The built-in free arm makes it possible to sew around small sleeves and cuffs, great for children's clothing and more. You'll love the professional results your Serger gives your projects. Featured on Making the Cut, the S0230 Serger Overlock Machine saves time by sewing a seam and seam finish at the same time, while trimming away the excess seam allowance. You can use 2 threads, 3 threads, or 4 threads for a variety of stitch combinations and a color-coded threading system. Number 3. Bernette 64 Airlock Serger. As soon as we started testing this Serger, we knew we'd found a luxury machine. This machine's automatic air threading technology made threading a total breeze. The easiest in our tests, the simple color-coded instructions and threading guides on the machine were easy to follow. The larger workspace with bright LED lighting is ideal when working with apparel pieces. All stitches were clean, with no imperfections, producing excellent results every time. The variety of fabric types. Note that this machine is bigger and heavier than others we tested, so it will take up more space in your sewing area. Number 2. Brother 1034 D3 or 4-thread Serger. Many Sergers cost more than $500 and even over $1,500, but this affordable pick from Brother is just $250. The machine features easy-to-follow threading instructions, but it has more steps than higher-end styles and requires oiling to keep it running smoothly. It offers 3- and 4-thread options, as well as rolled hems and flat lock stitches. It's versatile and simple to operate, impressing online reviewers who are new to Sergers. As a beginner machine, however, it's not well suited for heavy-duty use with thicker fabrics. With more than 10,000 rave Amazon reviews, this trusty machine is beloved by many sewing enthusiasts. The Brother 1034D Serger features a 3/4 lay-in thread system with lower looper threader. Stitch options include 4-thread overlock, 3-thread overlock narrow hem, rolled hem, and ribbon lock stitches. Additionally, you can sew blind hem pin tuck and flat lock stitches by purchasing optional presser feed. The machine has a free arm/flatbed convertible sewing surface. The 1034D also offers a fast lower looper threading system for easy thread changes. The differential feed improves sewing results on stretch or thin fabrics to give you a perfect finish. Snap-on presser feed allow quick and easy changes to transition to each desired stitch. Warranty is voided outside the US. Number 1. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery. 4x4 Embroidery Field, with an included 4x4 hoop, embroidery arm, and embroidery foot. Large 3. 2. So Smart Color LCD touchscreen display allows you to view your designs in full color before stitching. 80 high-quality, built-in embroidery designs, including decorative alphabet, borders, holiday, florals, kids, and a plaque. 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your creations. 80 built-in designs. The SE600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. Maximum embroidery speed, SPEM, 400. UL/CSA listed voltage, 110 V. Automatic needle threader and drop-and-top bobbin. This sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-and-top bobbin. 103 built-in sewing stitches. This machine features 103 sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed, stitches per minute, 710.